Welcome back to the Dr. Jonette channel. This is your channel for health and longevity. Today, we are putting the principles of one of our longevity pillars into action. It is our good, healthy, brain healthy, body healthy nutrition pillar. So let's get cooking and make some chocolate zucchini bread. Make sure you watch all the way to the end because you won't want to miss why zucchini bread may help prevent cognitive decline, calm your body and your mind, as well as improve your energy. For today's simple is smart tip for zucchini bread, kids quite often, my grandkids included, are not huge fans of zucchini. So I have to find all kinds of ways to disguise it so that I can incorporate it into their diets. I put it in carrot cake along with the carrots. I put it in zucchini bread. And they find it out unless I've discovered I add some chocolate to that zucchini bread, and then they don't notice that green color of the zucchini in their chocolate zucchini bread. So if you have kids or grandkids that aren't fans of zucchini because zucchini is so good for you, then find ways like chocolate zucchini bread, zucchini muffins or chocolate zucchini muffins, carrot cake, or any number of ways that you can incorporate zucchini into their diet that are delicious and good for them. If this information was interesting so far, thank you for ringing that notification bell. today's neuronutrition nugget, zucchini is loaded with so much nutrients, so many good nutrients, not just for our brain, but for our body. So let's talk about our body. Our gut needs fiber. Zucchini, and it needs water. Zucchini provides our gut with a lot of fiber and a lot of water. So keeping our gut healthy is important for also keeping our brain healthy, because our gut actually sends more signals to our brain than our brain to our gut. And a healthy gut is a big factor in keeping our brain healthy. But in addition to that, zucchini also has a number of substances that are good for our brain. One of them is magnesium and manganese. Both of these substances help calm our body, reduce our stress levels, and help us relax throughout the day. In addition to that, zucchini also has a number of B vitamins, and B vitamins are important precursors and parts of different pathways for neurotransmitters in our brain. They help prevent against cognitive decline and may also help prevent against Alzheimer's disease. So adding zucchini to your diet is a delicious way to keep your body and your brain healthy. Thank you so much for watching, for clicking the like button, as well as subscribing. And go to my website at growwithdrjonette.com, where you will find this recipe and so many more recipes with all of the neuronutrition, good nutrition for your body, as well as lots of suggestions for how you can keep your brain and body healthy and have a long health span. We'll see you next time on the Dr. Jonette channel.